I just wanted to say regarding this genetic options, the two examples I would like to quote. One is Sunil Gavaskar and his son Rohan Gavaskar. Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan. So the comparison is always from the parents. So like normally, maybe the student wants to opt that profession where their parents are because they feel they will get enough support whatever is required. And I'm a man of physics, so we say like everybody tries to be in a system where you need to say like the least energy system, because the work done against that system is you need to have a minimum energy. So that kind of thing may be there, but say like even in the end, I'll always say happiness, that's really very important. Everyone wants to be happy and one should do what gives you happiness. अगर हम परिवर्तन की बात करें, वोलाटाइल की बात करें, डायनामिक की बात करें, तो एक है कि परिवर्तन ही यदि जीवन है तो हम दिन प्रतिदिन आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं. That should be the motto of the life. Thank you everyone.